to talk about the amendments to the Local Government Act, which so I'll turn over to our Deputy CEO in the crowd.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Just before we get into our main council agenda today, I thought it was timely that we just put on record the fact that we have an amendment to the Local Government Act, which was given royal assent on the 4th of December. Unusually, this Amendment Act basically has come into is applying from the date of signing, as opposed to giving us a transitional period. And that means that from the 4th of December you have to begin taking into account the new purpose of the Local Government Act. So just reminding you, the old purpose included a role in terms of promoting the social, economic, environmental and cultural well-being of communities in the present and for the future. This has been removed from the Act and been replaced with a new purpose, which is to meet the current and future needs of communities for good quality local infrastructure, local public services and performance of regulatory functions in a way that is most cost effective for households and businesses. Now we did talk about this morning, and in terms of the fact that it will take some time for, I think, councils all around the country to fully appreciate and understand how this new purpose is going to apply. We've been given very little guidance in the Act, except there is a definition of good quality, and that basically means infrastructure, services and performance that are efficient, effective and appropriate to the present and anticipated future circumstances. So when you go through your items today, there are several items that you will need to put your mind to in terms of thinking about the new purpose under the Act as opposed to what you were operating last month on. Any questions?
Any questions from the councillors? As Mr. McDowell said, we will discuss this morning. If not, we'll move on to item number 4, which is the confirmation of council minutes. The meeting held on